than IDs. Hii country passports zinaprintiwa hata within 2 weeks, hata less than a week. Lakini IDs zimechukua miaka ngapi? Hizi shenanigans za maisha namba zenye tumezungushwa nazo zinafaa ziishe. Tell us whether you are going to have our national IDs or maisha numbers. Hiyo story ishe, as simple as that. Hakuna vile this government will prioritize taking Kenyans abroad, which is brain drain, that Kibaki was against, as opposed to national IDs that citizens need. Kuna watu wamekaa mwaka mzima, wengine miaka 2 hawana IDs. The same way tumekuwa hatuna IBC for close to 3 years, ama ni 2 years. Hizo vitu hazi make sense. That was the first point of information. The second point of information, kupeleka mtu nje aenda akakue housemaid ama security guard huko is not a priority for this country. The government even has a portal for that. And to inform you, Moses Kuria, among other business leaders in this country, have been exporting Kenyans outside. We did not need the government intervention to take Kenyans outside this country. Private investors have been taking Kenyans outside this country. It is not a policy of the government that we should be celebrating. That the government, instead of bettering the economy and providing employment opportunities for all of us, is prioritizing taking Kenyans outside this country. That is pure bullshit. It is brain drain and misplaced priorities. It is not the business of the government to export labor from this country. We should start with bettering this economy.
Can I interject? My friend, my young in the earlier presentation, which we were listening very nicely. I don't know whether you wanted to again to repeat that whole presentation.
Let me answer you.
As part of your information.
Respectfully. He was not here when I was speaking about the same. That is why
I was here.
No, you are not here.
He was here.
And if he was here, how is he now making the same?
So I have to subscribe to your point.
Point of information. I was saying you what I think.
Mr. Speaker, with your wisdom, overrule all of them.
You are right. IDs ni za muhimu kuliko passport. Sio now tutasustain. Kupea Wakenya kazi hapa ndani ni better than kupeleka Wakenya. Public service si wewe uende tu angalia Wakenya hapo vile wana IDs, vile wamelia kila mahali. Si walifuata professor for asking the same. Kenyans know this in the public domain. Who doesn't know?
Nilianza ku-apply for the passport Kibaki alikuwa president. Unfortunately nimepata passport yangu kwa area wa William Samoei Ruto. That's one. Number 2. The reason why na support government policy kupeleka watu nje. Mimi nimekuwa kini nikisoma CVs ya watu huko kwetu Karatina. All the hobbies of all Kenyans. Nyamaza. All the hobbies of all Kenya, they like traveling. Kupewa job ya kutravel kwenda Qatar. Even me, I will want to go. Ni travel tu kama kazi ni ngumu nirudi. Traveling. So the government of Kenya amepatia watu nafasi ya kutravel. All Kenya want to travel. So yes, what to eat? Una travel na ndege. Sina sina meli. Buddha, all Kenya will want to go. So the only problem ungesema, you know, it is hard in Kenya to kupata passport. That's the only challenge. But through the former Minister of Interior Kidure, who is now the Deputy President, alimechuali leta hiyo log ilikuwa pale tukaje water log. Tuko na log call yeah? Backlog. Alijaribu ku speed up mpaka amedevolve. Siku hizi unaweza chukua passport Kisii, Eldoret, Mombasa, all. Hiyo siku zingine ya Kibaki na Uhuru ilikuwa nakuja hapa Nyayo House. All sahi imekuwa devolved. So we have to give the credit where it's due. Then yes. Then thirdly, third point nasema hivi. It is high time you just have to accept kwamba mlifanya makosa by disputing Gen Zs. Hiyo ndio So sisi kama Mount Kenya tunashukuru the president because hizi mambo ya kwenda nje kidogo with us the Kikuyu community ndio ilianza kusafiri because tulijua for us the foreign exchange ikuja hapa Kenya lazima watu wetu waende nje ndio watume nini watatuma Kenya shillings itakuja in form of dollars. That is also impactful to our economy. So wacheni president acheze kama yeye ashaangalia ameona from A to Z 2030 vision yezi timiza. So the only thing, let's also look for opportunity outside. Who doesn't want to travel? Hata kama utaki kutravel, all of us will travel to heaven. Kama utaki. So kama utaki kutravel, then hiyo ni yako. So let us just support the government with the agenda and everything. Na hizo zingine kama uko na shida, mungoje mko na kura 2027. Tuone kama game itafanya nini? Ita change, but game ni ile ile. Yeah. Yes, asante sana.
The national government, let them do what they want. Wafanye kile ambacho wanaweza fanya. Back to Nairobi City. Back to Nairobi City. Our city that is international city has been turned into a trash. Portal everywhere. Hata mlevi hawezi tembea hapa like before. Shimo kila mahali. Nobody is there to face the Sakaja. Amwambie ya kwamba there is nothing going on in our city. Especially where I come from, Mlango Kubwa. A dispensary was offered 40 million. 40 million. Just a dispensary, 40 million. And nothing is going on. Everything was launched by January last year. Up to date, there is not, the dispensary itself has not been even built. Has not been built. Ukiangalia city, lagoons everywhere. The city international itself is smelling like a toilet. Nobody is there to face Sakaja. We are just here to fight Ruto, Raila, Gachagua. Why don't we also focus on our national city? Look at how do you call it? The Arambe Avenue. That is the only city that I can recognize where the offices of Ruto, Gachagua, and the so-called parliament. Even at Stima in Nairobi, the level of electricity in Nairobi city has gone down. Nobody is here to face Sakaja. Even with this deputy, corruption has gone at a high level. The corruption of county government of Nairobi is raising an alarm. Nobody is there to face Sakaja. We are just here to fight Ruto. We are forgetting Nairobi City County. Look at Jivanji. Mafia everywhere. How do you call it? Mafia everywhere. Everywhere. Smelling. Nobody is there to face Sakaja. Sakaja ameiba ya kutosha. What is paining me at 40 million inapewa dispensary, nothing is going on. Nobody is there to face Sakaja. Sakaja amejenga nyumba yake Spain. Sakaja is an absentee governor. He's the only governor who don't attend councils of governor meeting. He's the only governor who don't report to the parliament public accounts committee. He's the only governor who don't do nothing to the people of county of Nairobi. So, honorable members and my fellow Kenyans, can we face this guy and also let us also launch a party ya kwamba Sakaja must go. Thank you, Bwana Speaker.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.